What's going on, guys? It's Kate from Beyond the Box, back with another video. And if you guys are new here, we're giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you're alerted to all my new videos whenever I post, because you'll be the first to know when we do giveaways. And if you guys are anything like me, you love the experience of going to a movie theater and watching on a big cinema versus a TV. TVs are nice, 4K TVs are nice. I love my OLED TV by LG over there. It's just not the same experience of watching a movie on a projector at a home theater. When I grew up, home theaters and projectors were all the rage, but they kind of died out in popularity. BenQ sent me their GV30 portable projector for me to take a look at, unbox, and review. And it's the world's first portable projector with a 2.1 sound system. It actually has two speakers, one on each side, and a subwoofer near the top of the product. And the screen is completely LED, so instead of your traditional light bulb projector, this is gonna give you a lot longer lasting life when it comes to using the product. And speaking of lifespan, the battery in this thing is rated to last around 2.5 hours on a single playback time, but it is wireless or wired, so you can connect it and watch and charge at the same time wherever you are. Now let's take a look at the specs of the device. It's 720p HD, that's the maximum resolution. We'll talk about that in a little bit. It can go up to 135 degrees angled, and has the 2.1 sound system like I was talking about. And it's drop proof for 0.7 meters, so that's really cool. If you're giving this to a kid, this is a great product for a kid's room. You're not gonna really have to worry about it breaking if it falls, because it does provide some drop protection. It's USB-C, 2.5 hours of battery life. It auto focuses and sets up the auto keystone for you. It's wireless or wired, and it works with Bluetooth. I haven't actually used a projector in such a long time, but I've always loved projectors. That always seemed so nostalgic, and I loved using them when I was younger in like the early 2000s. They were really cool. And if you had a projector, you were just seen as like, wow, he's on the next level. He's got a projector. He's got a home theater with a projector. That's so sick. But now they're just kind of like, people don't really care about projectors these days. But the fact that you can actually tilt this 135 degrees and directly play movies or play games on the ceiling is really incredible, in my opinion. Who likes the idea of being able to play a video game without having to hunch over and really focus on the screen while you have the screen directly in front of you, and you don't really have to sit up in bed? You know, when you have those intense moments in gaming and you're just like, okay, I gotta sit up, I gotta focus. Instead, you're just gonna be able to lay on your back, and you're gonna be able to focus directly without feeling like I need to sit up, I need to stop laying back so I can focus on the game. It's gonna be a lot better experience. What else comes in the box is the Android TV stick. We're gonna have to install that. And that's basically it. Now it comes with this super nice protective carrying case. I think this is a good case. It's gonna protect your product. And it's actually a little smaller than I expected. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I expected. That is super small, especially for a projector. It comes with a magnetic base, your power cables. It's got the extender and the wall outlet cord. Or you could use a cord without the wall extender, and it comes with a couple batteries for the controller. The controller is actually underneath and at the very bottom of the product. Really nice, sleek remote, very aesthetic, and I like the product too. And speaking of aesthetic, this is a very aesthetic product. Let's see, this is the magnetic base, so it just locks on, so that way you just rotate it like this. I'm expecting they want you to use this little pleather handle strap right here to rotate. But like I said earlier, guys, there's a speaker on both sides, and here is a subwoofer. So you're gonna have some pretty intense sound quality in a portable speaker. Like I said, first world's portable projector with a 2.1 audio system, so that's really intense and really cool. And at the top, you can see it's got 4 buttons, a power button, and a volume up and down rocker, and a Bluetooth connection button. Superior sound by Trevolo. Whoever Trevolo is. I'm assuming they worked with BenQ to put the speakers inside. At the bottom, you can actually see that there is a camera mounting system, kind of like how you spin your DSLRs onto a tripod. You can do the same thing with this. Speaking of connections, it has an AC power outlet, a USB Type-C, a headphone jack, and an HDMI connection port. So whatever you need to plug in, you're basically gonna be able to do. So now it doesn't look like there's much to do other than to power this bad boy up and see what it looks like. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are back. We plugged in the GV30, we got the Wi-Fi going, we downloaded our favorite apps to watch our content, and I just wanted to quickly show you guys what the screen quality looks like with the lights on. Obviously, it's not gonna be anything amazing with lights on because this is a portable projector. It's not supposed to be covered in a bunch of light to begin with anyway, but I just thought I would show you guys what it looks like with a bunch of light on, because we're about to do a screen test with all the lights off. So you can now see what it kind of looks like with and without light around it. But with that said, let's get on with it. I was watching some Disney Plus. I just started playing The Rise of Skywalker so you guys could see the quality of the image and the sound quality, because we do want to test out these speakers. This is supposed to be a portable projector, so it's completely different purpose. You're supposed to take it with you on the go to connect with friends, have gaming parties, whether you want to connect an Xbox or PlayStation to it and throw up a 100-inch screen and play games with your buddies, take it to a party, whatever you feel like. That's the real purpose of this projector. So you're not gonna have the most amazing picture on a 720p display, but that's not exactly what you bought it for. You bought it for the portability and the ease of use. And the brightness of the LEDs can go up to 300 NC lumens. So it's not gonna be extremely bright, but it's not extremely dark either. And it does a good job of what it's supposed to do. I would be very content with using this. I had the projector pretty close to the wall because I don't have a white background to see an example of, but this is a pretty close estimate of what you guys are gonna experience with this projector. But I do wanna make a quick note of something, guys. The fan volume is relatively loud. Obviously, it's not a huge sound, but I just wanted to make a note of that. I'm about 2 feet away from the speaker, but I just wanted to show you guys what the max volume is. Again, it's not incredible, but it does exactly what it's supposed to do. And it's a good quality sound. It's not gonna replace a sound system or a TV sound bar, but it does a good job at what it's supposed to do. So we got this at max volume right now, so this is what you're gonna experience for yourself if you pick this up. All in all, guys, this is a pretty solid projector. So that's the video, guys. That's the GV30 portable projector from BenQ. If you guys like, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that bell icon so you always know when I post a new video. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about the projector, and let me know if you're gonna pick one up in the future, or what you think about the product in general. I'm really interested to hear your thoughts on this. We're also giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So if you guys are new, make sure you guys are subscribed. And follow me on Twitter for good measure, because we'll post all of our videos there. I'm gonna sign off. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. Happy holidays. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.